traders, welcome back to today's video. We're going to be looking at the Phantom Trader Bot for MetaTrader 4. It's an expert advisor and a gold only robot priced at $599 on the MK05 market. That has rental options available with 150 for 3 months, 260 for 6 months, and 399 for a year. Was published back in April 2025 and is currently on version 1.4. Let's break it down the way we always do, straight from what the developer actually puts on the page, no fluffs, and with some backtest of my own. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. And starting with the thing that powers this EA, according to the product description, Phantom Trader is built exclusively for trading the gold USD pair. The core strategy is a combination of two things: automatic detection of key support and resistance zone, plus candlestick pattern recognition. That is the entire engine for Phantom Trader. It looks for price hitting those zones and then waits for a candlestick pattern to confirm the entry. The developer says this gives it a clear and adaptable entry logic, mainly aimed at the New York and London sessions. As you can see here, though they also mention you can run 24/5 if you want. There's no talk of any fancy AI, machine learning, volume profile, or multi-time frame confluence beyond the basic zone detection. It's a pure technical analysis with zones plus candles patterns. Now for setup and recommended time frame, they recommend the M15 time frame, an ECM broker with low spreads, and a VPS for continuous operation. Its risk management is customizable and there's a time-based filter. You can see here, so you can restrict trading hours. That's pretty much the full strategy pitch on the page. There's no live signaling shown, no detailed backtest numbers of my FS book. Let's go over here where the developer claims his backtest showed results. Before we move on to my backtest results, it had a profit factor of 1.70, initial deposit of $1,000, total net profit of $45,295, which is a high, should I dare say, exaggerated claim for this EA, but we'll check it out. That the drawdown of 14.69 pretty high, relative drawdown of 82.20. I've checked out its results. It says winning trade on gold, 100% automated. Everything I've said earlier before. You can see its available parameters here. You can go through it later and check which figures you want to adjust on your own EA for your own backtest. Let's move over to my backtest. As you can see here, Phantom Trader Bot on the gold USD on the M15 time frame. model every tick. Now we go over. Yeah, I did it for 1 year, for 2025 June to 2026 June, using the current spread. Now looking over at the graph, we have the equity curve starting off with a modest climb, peaks somewhere in the middle of the test, and then steadily trends lower towards the second half, below our starting. By the end, it's sitting below the starting balance. From this graph, we can already tell what the result will be, but let's still open our report and check it out. Now, key numbers: total net profit came in at minus 66.84. We had a profit factor below 1 at 0.75, which is pretty low. Our drawdown was low, but still 1.24 maximum and relative drawdown. We had our shorts actually performing better in this trade at 86% wins, while longs were closer to 56%. We had our average winning trade at 5.58, average loss negative 10.71. As you can see, our loss numbers were significantly higher than our profit numbers. Now, if we compare this against the developer's claim, the page doesn't actually show similarities, as ours fell below, even with a higher starting balance of $10,000. Now, in practice, this means the edge, if there is there at all, is thin on this EA. Now let's go back over to the developer's claim. So you can see here, comparing this with what we had, it doesn't match at all. So you can see that the EA is not being truthful in a way, but you can still run your own back test to confirm it works for you. For me, it didn't. Now, who is this actually for? If you are someone who already likes pure price action zone trading on gold, wants a simple automated version for the London and New York sessions, and is prepared to run it on a demo or very small live account while watching the results carefully over several months. If you are looking for a proven track record, detailed strategy disclosure, or something more sophisticated than basic support resistance plus candles, this probably isn't the EA for you. At the current price, with limited transparency on the product page, is a high bar to clear based on the historical performance we just walked through. That's a full picture on the Phantom Trader Bot. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robot you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot with the built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.